Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talking about a reference variable in C++. A reference variable is an alias that is another name for an already existing variable. Once a reference is initialized with a variable, either the variable name or the reference name may be used to refer the variable. Let's just see how to create this reference variable. Here I just not defining the includer for header file here, so I just write int I, which is equal to 17. This is our normal variable, and I just make it the reference, so I just use here the and sign with my variable and give it the variable another name, which is like a, which is equal to I. So this variable is reference variable here. So think of a variable name is a label attached to the variable location in a memory. You can then think of a reference as a second label attached in that memory location, as I just attach the second variable, which is a. Therefore, you access the content of the variable through either the original variable name or the reference. Let's just see the example of this reference variable here. And I just write hash include and iostream. This is my header file here. Now using namespace std, and here I just write integer main. So this is my main function here. Now I just define a variable, so integer x, which is equal to 10. So this is my variable name here, which is integer x, which is equal to 10. And now I just define the reference variables to my x variable, so integer and which is the reference variable is equal to x. So here I just create a variable which is the name of reference, so reference which is equal to 20. So I just assign the value of x is now changed to 20. Here it's 20. Okay, so now the reference variable value is 20 and the x value is changed to 20. Now here I just write cout, and cout here I just write x and x which is equal to, and then here I just write x. I just print this x here, and then I just write end line to end this line. Now x which is equal to 30. So the value of x is now changed to 30. First of all, the value of x is 10, then value of x is 20 as a change of reference variable, and then now value of x is 30. So cout here is, I just write reference which is equal to, I just write here, I just print reference here and then end line. And at the last I just write return 0. Okay, so now I just run this code, and yes, so it's compiling here. So as you can see here, my value of x is 20 because I just changed this value with the reference variable, and then change this value with reference which is 30. You can see here I just changed these all values with the help of reference variable. So this is a simple example of the reference variable in C++. If you find any of the problem regarding to this reference variable or any of my other lectures, so please let me know. Thank you.